Long Islanders love sea turtles, and when the New York Marine Rescue Center releases rehab turtles back to their home, people come out in droves.
The New York Marine Rescue Center was created in 1996 as the Riverhead Foundation. Prior to that was known as Okinos Foundation. In 2019, we have a DBA for the New York Marine Rescue Center. We are a rescue and rehab organization for sea turtles and seals. And then as well, we provide in-field response to dolphins, porpoises, and small-toothed whales.
Hi, my name is Carolyn Monaco. I am a local Hampton Bays resident and an artist. I work for Cornell Cooperative Extension's Marine Program. The turtle statue came to us through New York Marine Rescue Center, and they reached out to Cornell Cooperative Extension because they know the work that we do locally here at Tiana Bayside, and there's the connection because the Marine Rescue Center does a lot of their releases right here across the water, and they thought it would be a great working relationship that we can have, a partnership.
About 3 years ago or so, we had received some grant funding to create these sculptures, these sea turtle sculptures, to help advertise and promote and educate the public on sea turtles being in the New York waters. And so we had collaborated with 6 towns, Southampton being one of them, and Southampton coordinated with Cornell Cooperative to actually work with someone to paint that sculpture and then put that sculpture up.
And I was given freedom to paint whatever I wanted, and I thought, being that we're here at Tiana Bayside as an educational facility, I thought it would be really a great idea to take advantage of the fact that turtles love eelgrass and seagrass, and not many people know, but right here behind Tiana Bayside there's a whole bunch of eelgrass beds naturally, and then also we're doing a lot of restorative work to bring in more eelgrass to encourage habitat restoration. Originally I had planned on putting people's word about turtles and eelgrass and the connection that they have with our local marine environment. I was going to put them on the plates of the turtle so that you could see, you know, everybody's poem or whatever, written word sentences, but I've changed my mind. I thought it was important to see visually the eelgrass and all the different species that are reliant on eelgrass. My thought now is to get the community involvement, is to have their words put down on the underside, which is kind of neat because it gets people to really go around the whole entire turtle and see what's going on. It's teaching us the relationship between the sea turtle and the eelgrass and all the other species that live within the eelgrass and how important that is, that relationship.
It's so fantastic for us to be able to have a turtle statue at Tiana on the Bayside. Southampton Township has been such an incredible supporter of ours for several years, always allowing us to do our releases there throughout the year, working so quickly in the permit office, and we truly appreciate that support. And so it's great for us to be able to be there all summer and, you know, early spring, doing sea turtle and seal releases at the ocean side at Tiana, and then having that sculpture there on the Bayside.
It's all about respect. Got to take care of what we have, and, you know, just a simple word, respect, means so much.